How to connect GoDaddy domain to Wix. If you would like to connect the domain that you purchased from GoDaddy to your Wix website, it is quite simple to do that. All you have to do is make sure you've already purchased the domain from GoDaddy and make sure that you know the DNS server, or you can copy them manually. Go to your Wix dashboard. On the home page, you'll find this option called Connect Domain. If you don't, also do not worry. You can go to the setup option on the left hand side of your screen. From the setup option, you can see this option that says Connect a custom domain. You can click on the connect domain option. Simply paste the domain that you purchased from GoDaddy right here. So you can go to your GoDaddy website and figure that out. After that, you can hit the let's go option. If the domain is already purchased and you just have to connect your DNS addresses and servers, you will be asked to go ahead and connect the name servers. And after you've done that, your domain will be successfully linked to your Wix account. So this is how you can go ahead and then connect your GoDaddy domain to your Wix website. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. Thank you for watching and see you soon as always in the next video.